Welding used to be complicated, required years of training, doesn't seem that safe. And the results? Meet xTool MetalFab. A simple pull for perfect welds every time. From 0.008-inch sheets to 0.2-inch plates. Whether you're a small business owner, DIY user, or hardcore maker, xTool MetalFab simplifies metalworking for you. It has 108 plus presets. Simply select the material and thickness. Whether it's stainless steel, carbon steel, brass, or aluminum, etc. And it cuts perfectly too. But that's not all. MetalFab can even clean. Plus, it performs well between -10 to 40 degrees. It's your all-in-one mobile fabrication shop. Now, there's just one tiny issue. It's a bit expensive. So, how can we fix it? Well, we make magic. Introducing xTool MetalFab CNC cutter. It's even more expensive. Sorry about that. But it's worth every penny. Using the same laser source, a coherent laser chip outputs powerful 1,200 watt fiber laser power, giving you an industrial-grade CNC cutter. 0.4-inch custom wrench, slicing it through like butter. Look, it's smooth, burr-free. It's not just powerful, it's smart and easy to use. With smart dual cameras, you can preview and calculate every inch of material. One-click nesting, making use of scrap material. Even the smallest objects can be cut with precision, maximizing every scrap of metal. Now, you might be wondering, do I need a massive workshop and a team of professionals to set this up, like other CNC cutters? Not at all. You can install it all by yourself, from start to finish. It's compact enough to fit into your workshop. We're not just helping you save cash. The CNC cutter unlocks a whole new world of creativity. We're handing you the keys to a metalworking revolution. This is xTool MetalFab, where one laser conquers both welding, cutting, and cleaning. So, what will you create with it?